You should own a pair of FYNE audio loudspeakers. The reason, when the company was founded, our drive was to bring high quality music into your home. That was our passion. We're all music enthusiasts. We all use FYNE audio loudspeakers at home. But the important thing for us was to bring high quality music to your home, to bring your music collection alive. And that's what we feel we've achieved. This is what drives us. Music drives us. We're all interested in music. We all have record collections, but try a pair of loudspeakers, try a pair of FYNE audio loudspeakers in your home, try them in your system, and we think you'll be delighted with what you can achieve at home with whatever product you decide to try.
สวัสดีครับพบกับผมนะครับพีจาก AudioForce นะครับวันนี้นะครับผมมีความยินดีอย่างยิ่งแล้วก็เป็นเกียรติมากๆเพราะว่าตอนนี้นะครับเราอยู่กับแขกคนสำคัญด้วยเป็นคุณเดฟวอเตอร์นะครับ Vice President คนใหม่ของ FYNE Audio นะครับคุณเดฟวอเตอร์เดินทางมาร่วมเปิดตัวสินค้าใหม่แล้วก็ยินดีที่มาพบปะนะครับนักเล่นเครื่องเสียงชาวไทยแล้วมาบอกเล่าถึงความสำเร็จของ FYNE Audio รวมถึงกระแสที่ร้อนแรงตอนนี้ทั่วโลกเลยนะครับเพราะตอนนี้ถือว่าเป็น pinnacle นะครับหรือว่าเป็นจุดสูงสุดของ FYNE Audio นั่นเองเป็นลำโพงที่ดีที่สุดในยุโรปในขณะนี้ในแง่ของคุณภาพเสียงเทคโนโลยีงานผลิตงานสร้างนะครับชื่อเสียงแบรนด์อันโด่งดังระดับพรีเมียมนะครับแล้วก็รวมกับบุคลากรและการบริหารที่มีความ aggressive เพื่อที่จะเป็นลำโพงที่ perfect ที่สุดในตลาดโลกนั่นเองครับเดี๋ยวเราพาไปแนะนำคุณเดฟวอเตอร์กันเลยนะครับ Hello Dave
Hello.
Welcome to Thailand.
Thank you very much. We are, and it's fantastic to be here. Thoroughly enjoy myself, and it's my first time visiting Thailand.
Today, we are AudioForce team. We are very honored to have you at the show.
Thank you.
I would like you to introduce yourself regarding your new position in FYNE Audio.
So, my name is Dave Waters. I'm Vice President of Global Sales for FYNE Audio, and my role is to build strategic sales plans for generating profitability and sustainability, but my role is to develop sales through our network of UK retailers and our global international partners, including our friends here at AudioForce.
So now, we would like to know that what is your goal now in FYNE Audio? Because at the moment, FYNE Audio is very strong in the world market.
We've got the technology, we've got the skill sets, and we want to build the brand globally. We make some fantastic products, we've got some fantastic technologies, we've got a fantastic engineering design team, and our goal is to build a world brand that is recognized around the world and around the globe, but working with our partners globally and internationally, it really helps us to grow the brand. So we want the brand to really grow into a major significant brand, but to bring music to people's lives.
Nice answer.
Thank you.
Can you give us some more explanation how success of FYNE Audio at the present time?
Well, because we've developed some fantastic products, whether it's our flagship designs, our high-performance SuperTrax products, or our new entry-level products, we've incorporated all of our core technologies into everything that we do now. And this is helping us grow and develop the brand and bring high performance to a much more affordable customer demographic. So one thing we've achieved very recently in the last few months is we have a new factory in Scotland, and that's enabled us to bring our marketing, development, demonstration rooms, production, manufacturing and warehousing all under one roof. And we're very proud of the facility. We're sustainable with our own electricity because we have over 200 solar panels on the top of the building. So we're generating our own electricity. And for Dr. Paul, this is really important because we have really, really clean mains coming into the factory and into the test room and demonstration rooms. Now, of course, Dr. Paul is very well known throughout the audio industry as his history with a previous Scottish manufacturer, and this is really where the company was founded nearly 10 years ago. With the changes that happened with Tannoy, 5 key industry legends, we kind of call them legends these days, they set up their own business, but we have the acoustic engineer from Tannoy, we have the managing director from Tannoy, we have the warehouse manager, we have product development and the main sales guys from Tannoy got together in 2016 and founded FYNE Audio. The important thing about the team is the deep understanding and the DNA of engineering high quality point source and high quality speaker products. Tannoy is a synonymous name within the industry, so we're really proud of the history that we have within the company. And the company has grown now over the last nearly 10 years, and we've got a very exciting product range, we've got a fantastic sales team, and we're growing more and more. But the other important thing about the new factory in Scotland, it really will underpin further manufacturing, and we want to build more products in Scotland. So from SuperTrax, from S-Trax, and from our F500 SP series, everything is made in Scotland, handmade in Scotland. All the crossovers are individually made per product, and they're all designed by Dr. Paul. Everything we develop, even our entry-level products, are all voiced by ear. So there's very much a human element developing our products. Crossovers are all individually made and handmade up in Scotland. All the metalwork and everything is, as much as we can, we're manufacturing and designing up in Scotland. Even our entry-level product ranges are all voiced and designed in Scotland. So the factory gives us a really, really strong focus point where we can develop and build more and more products.
And in the next year, you'll be celebrating 10-year anniversary of FYNE Audio.
10 years. Yeah. Oh. It's a fantastic achievement, and you know, within 10 years we've developed 7 product ranges. We've developed our own core technologies. We've introduced brand new products. The team has grown. The factory facility has grown, and this is quite an achievement within 10 years. But it's a testament to the experience and the drive that we have within the business. And the plan going forward is to manufacture more products in Scotland, and we are still only at the beginning of the business as where we want to be, and we've got lots of plans going forward to take the brand and take the business forward.
And this is a big news that the end of this year, FYNE Audio won the very big award.
Yes.
Like Product of the Year award. Can you describe something?
Well, describing the feeling that we've achieved this, because it's a massive achievement for us as a company. We've been working really hard. We've had some fantastic reviews over the last 10 years, from our entry-level products to our flagship products. But to actually win a product of the year from the very prestigious What Hi-Fi magazine, which is now a world magazine and a world brand, we're very proud of that. And it's really a testament to the work and the effort that's gone into developing the products. The great thing for us is it's one of our entry-level products that wins a product of the year, and that then enables us to develop and to push that success further up through the product ranges. And this is really our F501E, which is the product that won Product of the Year, is our entry-level product, and so anything above that is just better. So we're expecting more and more awards throughout this year, so we're very proud and very excited to receive it.
Not only the sound quality and technology that is the best, but FYNE Audio also provide confidence of the warranty of the product. How many years has FYNE audio warranties?
We give a 7-year warranty on our passive products, and we do that because we have great confidence in the product. We have great confidence in the reliability of the product, and it's a testament to, again, our own confidence in what we do when we build the products. So 7-year warranty, which is fantastic, and that gives the consumer great confidence going forward with their product here.
And now we're being a lot of FYNE audio product and model. For in the front of us is the FYNE F15 and S-Tag.
Yes.
What is the special point of this product?
So when the company was founded, and Dr. Paul Mills and the team developed 3 core technologies. And these core technologies were originally developed for our flagship F1 series. The first product we developed was actually the F110, and that had our ISO-flare technology. ISO-flare technology being where you have the tweeter down the middle of the mid-bass drive unit, so it's phase coherent, and everything's starting at one point in time. This is a very difficult technology to develop. So we developed it in our flagship product. We developed the suspension system, which is our fine flute suspension system, which dissipates cone energy. And then we developed a bass tracks port system, which is a way of managing the energy and the way and creating a 360-degree waveform coming out of the base of the loudspeaker. The important thing about this technology is now, first of all, it's unique, but it's now in everything that we do. So we've trickled down the 3 core technologies into every product that we do. So even an affordable 500 series product, you can benefit from the technology that we've developed.
In this room, we have 3 main side. First side is about F1.
Yes.
And the highlight side is the vintage speaker, with also another flagship from FYNE Audio with the Super Tweeter new model.
Yes.
Yeah. Can you tell us about the key selling point of the S-Tag and Super Tag?
So we developed 3 core technologies when the company was founded. 2 or 3 years ago, Dr. Paul Mills he'd been talking to us about developing a super tweeter. He has a lot of experience in super tweeter technology, and we've come up with this idea where, with a conventional super tweeter, other products out there in the market, they sit on the top of the loudspeaker and they point at you like a beam of light, which means that if you're off axis from the super tweeter direction, you're not getting the full benefit. So one unique feature, or the unique feature about our design, both S-Tracks and Super Tracks, is we've utilised the same technology that we have in the base of the loudspeaker, the Tractrix profile, and effectively we've inverted it. So now the Tractrix cone, which we have a patent on, is sitting above the diaphragm of the super tweeter, whether it's Super Tracks or S-Tracks. So we get a 360-degree enveloping ultrasonic information. So it means anyone in the room is benefiting from the effect and the presentation of what S-Tracks and Super Tracks will do. The beauty of both of the products that we have, because they have standard speaker connections on the rear of them, you can connect the product into any loudspeaker. The way a super tweeter works is there is proven and there is an understanding that harmonics up and down the frequency range are perceived, not necessarily heard, but are perceived. And this is ultrasonic information. And so it enables us to really get the openness and the real timbre of the instruments and the music that we're listening to. But the other main important thing, it's not always about high frequency, it's about phase integrity and maintaining the harmonic structure at the upper frequencies. A lot of loudspeakers, the HF units, the harmonic structure falls off. When we introduce the Super Tracks or S-Tracks, that maintains the harmonic structure and phase integrity with the main loudspeaker.
Yeah, thank you for your answer. What's your idea about our system in the show now at the behind of us? Yeah.
We're hearing comments from many customers saying we've got a fantastic sound here, and we're either demonstrating our beautiful vintage 10s with Super Tracks, but I think really at the start of the show, I think what we're experiencing is our compact vintage 5 with S-Tracks, because of its affordability, its size, and we get a really big scale of presentation. And that's what I think the feedback we've had from customers at the show this year. Vintage 5 is a fantastic product, but the vintage product is for us like a piece of art. It's a really high performance product in a beautifully sculptured cabinet. And so we have 4 models. We have the 5, we have the 10, we have the 12 and the 15. But the show, we're demonstrating the 2 products, and they're working really, really well with the accompanying electronics we're using.
For my definition, I define it as a state-of-the-art and a timeless masterpiece.
Yes.
Yeah. For the vintage speaker
Yes.
and the FYNE S-Tag, we use as a combination. Yeah.
It's quite an iconic design, isn't it? When you look at it, and visually it's it's a beautiful piece of cabinet furniture, but then we've got the technology which really does bring out the openness of the music as well.
And how about that side, Dave? Is the F500E and F500S series?
F500E and F500S replace 2 product ranges that we previously had soon after the company was founded, and we felt it was time to refresh both product ranges, the original 300 series and the 500 series. But within the time that we've been developing products, we've learnt a lot. We've developed, we've improved our technologies, and the important thing about our new 500E and 500S models, we're now working with a 2nd generation ISOFlare drive unit. So this is not the same drive unit we implemented in the original 500 series. It's a new, we'll call it the 2nd generation ISOFlare. It's an improved waveguide down the middle of the, so we've developed our new 2nd generation ISOFlare drive unit, and it's where we have an improved waveguide down the throat, down the middle of the horn loading compression tweeter. The important thing about the technology is we've now trickled it down from our flagship products into our entry-level products. So consumers who have got a smaller budget can afford a high-performance product with all of our 3 core technologies. So it brings ISOFlare to a much wider market, and our strapline is ISOFlare everywhere because it's everything that we do now. Every product we design incorporates our ISOFlare technology, our fine flute suspension system, which dissipates cone energy, and our bass tracks port system, which is in the base of the loudspeaker. The benefit of the bass tracks port system, it allows us to position the speaker a lot more easily in the room, and we reduce boundary problems. So we create a 360-degree sound wave. So the 500E series is entry level. We have a 5-inch bookshelf. We have the twin 6-inch tower, which we're very proud. 501E won Product of the Year this year from What Hi-Fi, of course. And then we have home cinema products. So we have 2 LCR products for home cinema environments. And then the 500S series is the direct replacement for our original 500 series product range. We've improved the driver, so it's not the same driver as the E model. The S model utilizes a magnesium HF diaphragm for high frequency, whereas the E model has a titanium HF driver. The S model also has a much improved cabinet, so we now have 3 choices of finish. We have a real walnut veneer, we have a gloss black finish, so it's a really luxury gloss black finish, and we have a black oak veneer, so they're much stronger cabinets because they're improved designs. Another development with both the E and the S products is with the original 500 series, the bass tracks port system was bolted onto the bottom of the loudspeaker. We've now integrated into the whole of the cabinet, so the cabinet structure is much, much stronger. It gives a better bass response overall. In addition to the cabinet finish and the improved driver with the S model, on the back of the S range models we have a presence adjustment. Something we've developed and used with our flagship products, whether it's F1 and Vintage, but we've now got a switch on the back of the speaker which allows us to increase or decrease the output of mid-band. So between 2.5 and 5K, we can increase the output by 3 dB or reduce the output by 3 dB. It allows you to move the mid-band vocal region forwards or backwards in the soundstage. So it enables our customers, our customers, to really tune the speaker to suit the listening environment. In addition to the award we received for the 501E, we're also very pleased to say that we received an award for the 502S, which is our twin 8-inch floor standing speaker, and it won an award with What Hi-Fi for the best speaker between £2,000 and £3,000. So it won an award for its category. So we're very proud of that award as well. Again, it really just focused the product and its performance within its price group. The F500 series consists of 3 models, our 6-inch bookshelf, our 6-inch twin drive unit F501S and our 502S. But what we are also showing this year for the first time is our new bookshelf compact F5S using the high performance 5-inch drive unit with the magnesium HF driver, the improved cabinet design and the presence adjustment. We've just launched this product, it's absolutely brand new and it will be available over the next few months.
I also can confirm that FYNE Audio F500E series and FYNE Audio F500S series is the best affordable high-end speaker and premium speaker at the entry level range.
Yes.
Yeah, in the market, I can confirm. ก็ถือได้ว่านะครับตระกูลของลำโพงไฟ F500E และ F500S series เนี่ยเป็นลำโพงที่คุ้มค่ามากที่สุดในตลาดในตอนนี้เลยในช่วงงบนะครับที่ไม่เกินระดับหลักแสนนะครับตั้งแต่หลักหมื่นเนี่ยยันหลักแสนตอบโจทย์ได้หมดลำโพงทั้งหมดนี้นะครับเป็นลำโพงระดับไฮเอนด์และพรีเมียมมากๆแล้วก็ถือว่าเป็นดีที่สุดในงบหลักแสนเลยทีเดียวนะครับ So now Dave, Thai audiophile would like to know that why they should own at least one piece or one pair of FYNE audio product.
You should own a pair of FYNE audio loudspeakers. The reason, when the company was founded, our drive was to bring high quality music into your home. That was our passion. We're all music enthusiasts. We all use FYNE audio loudspeakers at home. But the important thing for us was to bring high quality music to your home, to bring your music collection alive. And that's what we feel we've achieved. This is what drives us. Music drives us. We're all interested in music. We all have record collections, but try a pair of loudspeakers. Try a pair of FYNE audio loudspeakers in your home. Try them in your system, and we think you'll be delighted with what you can achieve at home with whatever product you decide to try.
Thank you for today, Dave. It's mean a lot for us and for the audience in Thailand. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope that everyone will have knowledge about FYNE audio, and if they have the opportunity, I would like the customer or Thai audiophile to try FYNE audio one pair. One is a lifetime. Yeah. Thank you for today, Dave. Can you say goodbye to the Thai audience?
Thank you for your time. Thoroughly enjoying my time here at Bangkok. Being very, very welcomed. Thank you for watching, and do come and speak to the guys at AudioForce.
และสำหรับวันนี้นะครับเราต้องขอตัวลาไปก่อนนะครับทุกท่านสามารถติดตามและก็ติดต่อ AudioForce นะครับได้ที่ช่องทางออนไลน์ทุกช่องทางรวมถึงเราเตรียมตัวเปิดตัวโชว์รูมใหม่นะครับสาขาใหม่อันยิ่งใหญ่ในเร็วๆนี้นะครับแล้วเดี๋ยวพบกันจะเป็นสาขาไหนคอยติดตามกันครับอย่าลืมกันนะครับผมพี AudioForce ขอฝากลำโพงFYNE Audio นะครับไว้ในอ้อมอกอ้อมใจของนักเล่นเครื่องเสียงชาวไทยนะครับอย่างน้อยสักครั้งในชีวิตขอให้ท่านได้ลองครับนี่คือลำโพงที่ผมภาคภูมิใจเป็นอย่างยิ่งที่จะนำเสนอต่อคนรักเครื่องเสียงทุกคนในประเทศไทยสำหรับวันนี้นะครับขอตัวลาไปก่อนขอให้ทุกท่านมีความสุขการฟังเพลงสวัสดีครับ